that is killing itself. Me see N.Addo Korea for Ghana and Omunya independence in 1965. They are 50 years ahead of us. Yeah, we are 50 years behind. Your leaders have been. That's why I'm comfortable. They blame no command N.Addo. N.Addo bebana ni emana say.
Mama wakwaba midi N.Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell on so for more news. Vim lady Efia Pokia and a Okase or a journalist. I'm a penasem ye papa because on the way NDC we and people where can I join the channel. Efia Pokia and Okase need some more keen and say. NDC funa moso ya mwachu mwanu esi His Excellency N.Addo Kufuor no so amwa yana munja no na Ghana phone munja His Excellency because enye ne faulta His Excellency ba wabo no modern why na femede nemo menienti amana Ghana for kasa omo chese His Excellency N.Addo Kufuor wanya hwi na ne say expectation e dey e ma mampenda His Excellency N.Addo Kufuor no na high, very high. Ghana for na the one ratio ni mu say His Excellency N.Addo Kufuor do obede ene akronfo munjina ye enso N.Addo ba ye hu hwe akronfo no woda so sisi wona so double salary free wotete ho ka N.Addo wachiche won ya gu na odi hu ate His Excellency don no so onte hwe na na Efia Pokia ya kire say apart from no His Excellency N.Addo Kufuor why ade mama faso bono emmo no say Ghana economy na collapse a crash na den no enye ne fault na de nti Efia Pokia ka say na ne say IMF anano Ghana for ye koyi asike ya be Efia Pokia ya kire say sika no de ade be import ya mukra aba ene nsu no sika ina be senti de bia na seed na hode no e wo fam de bia na dollars brosi disi de bia na dollars ne brosi disi no because dollars never ent na o manyimu kakra na etu kwan okotomo okotonsu okotangwa Efia Pokia ya kire say sike amampanifo abetena so nyina mode akwa IMF akwaje mesia but mode create company ayemo ena mo bande e omo import e mo ba anka de bia mo kwaje besia na anka betena o mamu na se cities na nya ho de na so we na Efia Pokia chese sa situation we enya His Excellency N.Addo Kufuor na breso kwa nti NDC fo na multi radio city so eto anyampia no njense mu no na His Excellency ne faulta yenti ensema Efia Pokia vim lady etuya
Spending your money to import to the extent that the last time I checked records we were spending $5 million to import ensure mineral water ensure enyabro a nation that is killing itself. Me see N.Addo Korea for Ghana and Omunya independence in 1965. They are 50 years ahead of us. Yeah, we are 50 years behind. Your leaders have been. That's why I'm comfortable. They blame no command N.Addo. N.Addo bebana ni emana say, except for the fact that President Kufuor bano, the expectation was so huge. Say everybody thought that so be a failure, right from President Rawlings to be a failure. N.Addo was the one to use.
Ebusafo ensemwe na Efia Pokia vim lady atuja yenti ensem no entaso.
Yes, say our kwako banner right Ghana for Bekasa, but we need a leader. That is why Rawlings was not listening to anybody. It's in Rawlings at a point, apart from your kunkumuna problem, no. Rawlings had the boldness and Rawlings bet me changing your mass. Yaku obiankodo. And Rawlings got it right in the beginning at a point. Until some comfort started here dad and kumwe, then they started giving him, a perception that was not real, as everybody was against Rawlings. A leader that is bold, and then a Ghana here, and that is what Dubai for Nekatafoe. That's what they are doing. Except that no need freedom to say yeah, freedom to talk, but at least in Kenya him. It's your freedom no one. This is the time a Kenya leader or boss no they beka who am I? No, I can't say look or man actually. But this is the time, and the next 30 years, we need to change the trajectory of a minor. Say Korea for Ghana independent, no more 50 years ahead of us. Why can't we get there? Why can't we get there like Korea? A brony bayenti, we can't get there. A bro any bayenti, we're not able to get there. To me, I'm throwing a challenge to government. The ball is in your court, Abang. This is your baby. Stop the importation of rice. It doesn't make sense to say a mranti and maba what's it.
Opportunity in the buy and done. And no Omubisa and say, Uncle Fanny SS certificate in Done and one only be.
Uncle School.
Done only be, Bianco opportunity Bianca Bebuano, a block it. So what you say? And yes, me NDC ni na so san hyehyɛ we di eboa. And the man go do party I think say and free education 419, free education ya papa, free because say you twamunne. Say na ba say you twamunna and kwade be free school dem be good street. So one year you do obekwa di medi. Kaya ye ni ade e bebe mu no e be buru bibia. It is always about systems. Making our institutions work. James Jajikwa is in Jina say, MP before a copy. But let him go and pick up the form and let's see.
MP before
there's a section that will ask you, is there any criminal impediment on you in terms of charges and as a criminal proceedings against you? You have to take yes. Because MP before at the side they not also you have to go to court and answer for Supreme Court. I said you're not wrong in so you have committed a crime.
It's a
Supreme Court how can you tell me that's not a crime? I say I don't know why NDC is doing that. I don't know what game plan they have, but it will fall flat on them.
I can 19 days now. Emra aso se mokwakoto aba ase not MP Charles Opoku winning more primaries, a very big margin. We're winning more primaries this year. Is the NDC ready for the Asin North seat? That is the question someone will be asking because the CA Omunya Eni Obi Emma name see or name say oh we na yedene airco na wakushia Charles Opoku for the seat of Asin North. Someone will ask, say, are they ready? Because NPPD say we are ready. Now, NDC for.
I'm ready, say.
No, but how can you present someone that the court has ruled out? That is impossible.
They don't care. NDC wants us to know that the Ghana belongs to them. It is a court no ruling out from to me, so to me, they don't care.
And is that possible?
Is that possible? Ask the NDC people. Because I was surprised George Opariado said something, say, oh no, I'm a lawyer. No, be at to see I said that you question confirm for my election. There be or for my end, you know, done. I didn't want ye. Some form no overpack of fat, me boy.
Yeah.
No, I can fail it, me boy. No, I can submit it. Into one failing, no. You be baby said, do you have a criminal proceedings against you, yes or no? And I'm a boy.
Yeah.
And everybody in Ghana now knows say Sebi MP before be a criminal case against James Jachikwe and yet secret. And I also only must I said this is there. Said the NDC maybe I won't say.
2 hours some bacho. 2 hours so.